welcome to Northeast Window, the weekly news, a program where we recap the top highlights of the week gone by. Now, the Manipur state government had announced the revocation of the internet shutdown in most parts of the state, citing an improvement in the law and order situation. The decision came after a prolonged suspension of mobile data services, which began on September 26, 2023, and remained in force for an extended period. The suspension of mobile internet data services through VPN has been revoked with immediate effect till 7:45 p.m. of December 18, 2023. MLA of Moirang constituency, 𝐂𝐲𝐰𝐬, paid an inspection visit at Takmu Water Sports Complex on the 4th of this month. The MLA termed it unfortunate that people have not left the place and have not removed their structures after compensation and land acquisition process have been completed for construction of the sports complex. He appealed to the people to move from the place as per the order issued by Commissioner of the concerned department and help the government in taking up developmental projects.
Sports department na compensation pira low haba lamma puna sama tara lamna acres sama ga kunga haibasi acquire to bani aduguma dugi paisa pulong se compensation pulong se noyo piba loi khabni sukna ge hali compensation se la kun tha kha walamni madu ka gi noida farm tawraga makoina pali to khat pado pali khagat pado pali gi paisa piyo haiba share sourcing club sing de kana guma moi farm to singna amu makoina impose tawsila pui mong la ku sergi akoi gi review ka bisana andagi hogi tang kun marira order ma thokyo no de masi eviction to da hai padagi SDO na hai mihoi sing sida makoi notice issue to he makoi notice issue to wi matam do e na roi gi tuesday hum de gi hai eviction se already aduni ari masana mafam sida impose to wi ba and sports complex or wasagari policy mi bakada ji so we agreement lama project among paikal to impose sida laiwi ba kudi mangna masami mang de lava masami possible to piu haiduna ai moyan ke ni MLA mona ni anda pil to jari aduna masi khalbi raga mayama ko se do piu.
On December 5, lifeless bodies of the 13 Meiteis who were brutally tortured and killed by Kuki militants at 𝐶𝐞𝐰𝐬 village near Saibol village in Tengnopal district on 4th of December had been brought to Jennings morgue. The slain Meiteis had been identified and Andro Torongtel village authority reportedly provided around 1 acre of land to perform the last rites of the deceased. Among the deceased, some were IDPs taking shelter at relief camps. Speaking to Northeast Window News, younger sister of late Thingom Rocky of Torbung Bazar Mamang said, the 13 Meiteis were not killed in an ambush but were captured, tortured, and brutally executed by the Kuki militants. The anguished sister also vowed to avenge the murder of her elder brother.
Blood cancer blood cancer patient neba hawrapon numita ahum duju akhoi tamu phani do akhoi ma da khoiramaga ima lan chatlugi ke haraga adum mayam gi pame akhoi tamu du mayam gi thok pame do khoi ai kapya ba kape khalle ado leba kini mayam gi ne ai kem khandre do akhoi tamu gi laman de so en singbadi ai laman singba yawgani man moina chumna lan chapala akhoi tamu do nongmai kapnaraga legi da banateba moina Haraga Pubiraga or Pibane, Mamma, to Roina Kausandiraga, Loiko, by Yangam de Batasa Bosune, Moidum Pule, and Hanging Mogitak in Masatpane, Adua, Nasidi Mogi, Asibak Sanku, Sato, Cominium, the Asibak Sanku, do know Okamana, Hospital, Tumle, Hawola Patoran, Tamodi Hakan, I come to know by Kumba, I war Mayam Guinea, Katopo, Gamkai, Dugali, Horiba, Ibumi, and Aquitamoy, like it by Ibumi, to get them and Kum, Madame. Kumbaya ko ni bang may miyawin naman kumbaya. Mara tananda de san mama nang uni ay mane mama na. Mama na sakar mama na. Fondo si tam ni tamo na tulog pala kwata kaya mga kwata ak deba to mama na. Ngasi ori bi banda iya mama deba.
Koi ngasian imung manung na yana raga gomen na thaba am pirage paisa pirage la adu pirage aga loisan gi bata raga di mai magi marnai odana ngasi noi gi na sa sini hayeng ai gi sa sini hayeng na amagi masa sini ai khoi gi generation je mai te heba purup se pungu put kaneba ado ita di akoi apun ma tan oiraga akoi gi generation je mutta na bagi da makta ai khoi na kari thapak pai khat kani habdo apun oina khamina raga amata oina sa se na handagi akoi la mayam je pulle hare government je shanti hare leire adu mo ngasi mo tadi shanti gi ai ngusu phangde apun bagi miyeng su phangdrieba ado ita de akoi siba loi kan pulak toiraba haji taram de hen ba kaya sira kiri akoi hai ngamdri ado ita di amuana masigi makata bi sidna bi nauta akoi me apun loina haji imu monungi mi pun loi topiro mai magi sain tawbiro soi tor matung ya akoi se mayangi akoi ge apun bagi manipur pun bagi organization haji luk khudi mo loi pulni ko seida kana ge mo leite akoi seida mitai dangi sunate haibidi jati furup kuntra mari tari basiki apun bagi warip na akoi gi warip boraga thabak se tangwina jena khalle
santi le ai ba wai ai bi daga no ai ki isa si bagi de ai kaparoi ma gum ba thau le ba kaya sakrabne ai ki isa khaktane iram tam se abukta kan bio ta bio sarkar na santi le ai bi ga no ko ai ki isa so lau jeroi mayam na katung le ai di ma ki kana traba body na kai dong le doi no ai ngonda ai pang de ai isa de ai isa na mari ba ki kat ki ba do ai amarawi mama ai chokat kani isa kita mata ai chokat pangame ilai pa kita mata sarkar na mutta tabio santi leire ai bigano santi leire ai bigano peace leire ai bigano kadai de no peace sarkar tabio angama thok tabio.
Now let's talk about liquor legalization. The Manipur State Cabinet, chaired by Chief Minister N. Biren, approved the much-debated liquor legalization. The State Cabinet has 36 agendas, including approval of the Manipur Excise Rules 2023 for legalizing export, sale, and production of liquors. It may be mentioned that the State Cabinet on September 20, 2022 had also approved legalization of liquor production to prevent consumption of spurious liquor. The government is expecting around 600 crore rupees revenue from the legalization. Manipur was declared a dry state in 1991 after the enactment of the Manipur Liquor Prohibition Act 1991. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MLA 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐬 maintained that the 3 members of parliament from Manipur to pressurize Prime Minister Narendra Modi to break his silence and discuss the issue of Manipur during the ongoing parliament winter session. Observing that the issue in the state is an international geopolitical issue, he maintained that the government needs to be strengthened to contain the situation. The MPCC president questioned as to why the state government is still in the doldrums even as the crisis has lasted for more than 7 months.
One time the Yamna Sati Mong the Hatkibasi Yam the White, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee now strongly condemned of Jerry Tang Ahum Dagi, Matang Sumba Pulap Sibi Taboxi, Manipur Sita, Sulebet and the Tatari, Mapung Pare, and Sakarsi, Karimata response to the Basi, Masibu, Kari Labazano, genocides taking place, genocides. Satharapasi, Masi Karambakan, the thing, Duribano, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na, is Haitegi, Nuaitaba Pundopasi, Luidana, Garang Tuiba Todioxida, India Gi, Home Minister, Amadi, Maruina, Pradhan Mantri, Narendra Modi ji, Wapam Amata, Twitter the Oiro, the Facebook the Oiro, Media the Press the Oiro, Hiraktabasina Karigino, Honorable Prime Minister na 6 December. Sida cyclone Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, adagi Purbichari gi swaisida mi khara cyclone leki tabududi mana extra Twitter da adum instantly khudakta tweet tawre Modi ji na thodok macha adagi nuaitaba thodok gari accident bus accident adagi ratha jatra gi kang singwa sugumba mayamda mi manga tara leitaba accident thokko khopadudi aduma Bharat ki citizen khudimaki awana kayada adum share tawi Manipur da since start of May tang ahum dagi hauna tha taret mapung pharakpa masida asina 𝐂𝐤𝐯𝐬 more than 60,000 displaced person laiba khudong chadaba mayam thengnariba misi mina thoiba 𝐂𝐤𝐯𝐬 hamjanba ngamdabagi thongdoksida wahai amaba ngasibo hangakte ngarangi thongdoksisu hairakte hangakte masina mahan thoiba thongdokse masi matangsidasu wahai amaba manipur se masi matangsida haidabase kaino state government asu magi chap chaba responsibility lawgadabasu lawdaba center government asu responsibility lawgadabase lawdaba aikhoi karamna bharat ki manungda laiba state ama oina bharat ki bona fide citizen asengba citizen ama oina aikhoi kayam kuina manipur sida laikhidege bharat ki phibanungda laikhidege haibase aikhoi mipong khudimangna hangi.
Now let's talk about the Definity Foundation. It is a foundation, a Swiss, a non-profit research and development organization and a major contributor to the internet computer blockchain, announced that the Manipur Department of Education will deploy a unique educational product suite focused on verifying and storing educational certificates in a secure platform on the internet computer. It is said that the solution will ensure the certificate's authenticity while making it accessible to the owners, removing the issues associated with lost certificates. The ICP-based solution will bring more credibility to certificates and empower students in their search for employment. The product suite will leverage ICP technology such as internet identity to ensure all relevant information is accessible and tamper-proof while no unnecessary personal information is available. A team of Imphal West District Police arrested 8 cadres of KCP-PWG 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 group involved in abduction of a student from New Boys Hostel DM College of Science. A complaint was filed by Laishram Shyamchand of 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬, Bishnupur district at Imphal police station that his son, Laishram Chinglan, 22 years of age, has been kidnapped. Later, he received a phone call from his son's contact number instructing him and his wife to come at 𝐷𝐿𝐷 College with a ransom of 15 lakh rupees. I repeat, 15 lakh rupees for the safe release of his son. As per a police report, the team of Imphal West District Police carried out a raid at Yumnam Huidrom Makhalaikai under the jurisdiction of Wangoi Police Station. And during the raid, the abducted person was rescued from a house belonging to one Asem Chauba. The team also arrested 4 kidnappers from the house and an additional 4 kidnappers were arrested from a nearby area. During the preliminary inquiry, it has been revealed that the kidnappers belong to KCP-PWG group and Sarungbam Umananda is the commander of the group and he is working under Lamyan Bakhuman. And that is all we have for this week. Thank you for tuning in. See you next week. Until then, this is 𝐶𝐞𝐰𝐬 signing off.